Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hide your Pinterest profile from search engines. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then tap on the home button in the upper left corner, then click on the profile icon at the top on the right side, then tap on edit profile in the middle of the screen, click on privacy and data in this left side column, and after that go to the search privacy section that you can find at the top of the screen. Here you can hide your profile from search engines such as Google by tapping on this box. Tap on I understand, and as you can see the checkmark icon has appeared in this box, so all you have to do is tapping on this save button at the bottom of the screen in order to update this section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.